How can I change the location of the menu button on my Samsung Smart TV remote?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss how to change the location of the menu button on your Samsung Smart TV remote. Before we get into it, it's important to note that physically changing the buttons on your remote may not be possible due to hardware limitations. However, we can change the button mappings to an extent using certain Smart TV settings, and for even more flexibility, we can use a universal remote. Let's get started.
Understand the limitations of your Samsung Smart TV remote.
Samsung Smart TV remotes are designed with a specific layout, and the physical buttons cannot be rearranged. The buttons have a fixed function, like power, volume, and menu, and these cannot be physically moved around. However, Samsung Smart TVs often come with certain flexibility in the form of universal remote settings. These settings allow you to use your Samsung remote to control other devices, like a soundbar or a Blu-ray player, to a limited extent. If your specific need is to have more convenient access to the menu function, a universal remote might be the solution.
Using a universal remote.
A universal remote is a remote control that can be programmed to operate various brands of one or more types of consumer electronics devices. With a universal remote, you have the option to remap certain buttons to functions of your choice. This can give you more flexibility and convenience. Here are the steps to set up a universal remote. 1. Purchase a universal remote that is compatible with Samsung Smart TVs. 2. Program the universal remote according to its instructions, usually by inputting a code for your specific TV model. 3. Customize the button mappings as you desire, including setting a more convenient button to function as the menu button. Remember, when programming your universal remote, make sure to follow the instructions carefully to ensure that it works properly with your Samsung Smart TV. In summary, while you can't physically change the location of the menu button on a Samsung Smart TV remote, you can use a universal remote to create a custom layout that works for you. We hope you find this information helpful and that it enhances your Samsung Smart TV experience. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Enjoy your viewing.